In this video, I will show you how to change your domain's name servers on GoDaddy.com. First, log into your GoDaddy account and click your name in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. Click the My Products menu link. Click on the domain that you want to update the name servers for. Click on the DNS tab and then click on the Name Servers tab. Click the Change Name Servers button. Select the I'll use my own name servers option. Enter the name servers provided by your hosting company and then click Save. Click the Continue button to confirm the changes. You may need to refresh the page to see your updated name servers. Your GoDaddy name server change is now complete. However, it may take up to 24 hours for this change to take effect due to domain propagation. If you have a website already set up on your hosting account, it may not be accessible until the propagation process is complete, which can take up to 24 hours.